Content.
Needs to be changed, or
Spark plug and the boot needs to be changed.
spark plug.
So you need to get new boots and new spark plugs. Because spark plugs have a lot of like deposit all over it, so they need to be changed out. But
You guys have to let.
I think it's a what 6.2 liter or 6.4?
6.2.
6.2? Yeah.
6.2?
Yeah.
How many horsepower does it have?
480.
You said how much?
Yeah.
480?
Dynogen.
Tell all the mods you have done to it.
What is this? What is this?
Well, is it BBK intake?
BBK intake.
It's 18 basic coilovers. Dynotune. Cam. A mild cam. It has ZL1 wheels.
ZL1 wheels. Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Wow, so this must have some horsepower.
And that's how you tell. And then so far this is what he needs. And then spark plugs as well. It's very hot, extremely hot.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Oh yeah. Hey, I just went. That's fine. Running a little bit of oil. Nothing crazy.
It does smell
Really?
good though.
That's alright.